Hey guys, I just want to go over a little bit of the different types of import statements in Python Turtle. In my tutorials, I usually use import turtle, and that's the entire package turtle. And then when I want to create a turtle object, I can name it whatever I want. So like Sven is a name I like to use. But then I have to say, go to that turtle package and open up capital turtle constructor. So that parentheses, this is the constructor of the turtle object. And only then can I actually make my turtle do something. So I can now say, hey, go forward 100 pixels and turn right or whatever. And so this is how the turtle package works. And it's a great way to learn Python. So we use it a lot in my class. But let's talk about this. So what is this package? So just in case you're curious, you can go online and look up Python Turtle, and you'll see it's a standard library that you have access to whenever you download Turtle from Python. Sorry, Python when you download Python from like Python.org. Okay, so and you can see it's one of their standard libraries. You still, however, have to import it. So when you're just running Python, you have to make sure that you have access to that package. So when you do that, you say import turtle. That just says, hey, get that package ready. I'm going to need it. So think of the turtle package as being like your backpack. Okay. I'm not saying open up your backpack. I'm just saying grab your backpack. It has all the turtle objects you have in there. Okay. And then later, when I say, hey, you create a turtle on this line, I'm saying go to your backpack, open it up, and create a turtle. So that's what that turtle means. Now, if you look at their example, they wrote from turtle import star. So it's a little bit different. Okay, so let's actually talk about that statement. So instead of saying import the backpack, I could have said, hey, from your backpack, from turtle, import what? I could just say, hey, import the turtle class. Okay. And what that would allow me to do is later on, I wouldn't have to tell it where to go because I don't need my backpack. I just need the turtle class. So I have the turtle in my hand. So I can say, hey, Sven equals a turtle. Okay. From turtle, import turtle. Oh, yeah, you don't put the constructor, just the name of the class. So there you go. So there would be one way of doing it. Now, there's also a screen class inside of here. So there's turtle and there's screen, and you might want to someday create a different window. So what that would do is like, let's say I wanted to make a blue background. I could do window or WN short equals, and I can say turtle dot screen. Okay. And then I could say um, window dot bg color. I think it's all lowercase, and then just name it whatever color you want it to be as a string. So in quotes. Okay, so now of course now I have to go back to the other way I was doing it. So let me explain it. This is kind of a long way of doing it, but it'll hopefully make sense. So there's two main classes. I think that's all there is in Turtle package. But I could import the I could just import the package and then say, hey, go grab a turtle, and hey, by the way, grab a canvas. We're gonna draw it and we're gonna do it in blue. So that's one way you could do it. But if you're noticing, I'm having to write the word of the name of the package each time. Oops, time for my next class. So what I could do instead to make my life a little faster is I could rename it. So you can write import turtle as, and I can just call it T or whatever I want. And that will allow me to shorten the names so that if that is bothering me having to type it all out, I could make it a lot easier by doing it that way. So you see it runs exactly the same. Now, alternatively, I could use the from turtle import star, which means, so we'll just finish with this last example. If I write from the package turtle import star, this literally means, not doesn't literally, but analogistically, this means open up your backpack and dump out everything that's inside. So that's what the star means, which means I wouldn't have to write t dot anything. And you might just wonder why not just do that? That seems like the easiest, but it's actually the messiest. So remember, you're not necessarily going to always use everything in a package. Like in a math, you might need to use the math package, for example, and you only need it to do the square root. You don't need to have arc sine and cosine, all that other stuff. Okay. So, anyways, that's pretty much it. I hope that makes sense why there's some different ways of doing an import statement. In the next video, I'm going to explain how you can make your own packages and then import those and run those. So talk to you later.